Hey guys, welcome back to Travel with Mel. Today we're here in St. John Mountain Resort. It is located at Sitio, Binulwangan, Barangay Guimbala-on, Silay City, province of Negros Occidental. It's my first time to be here, and to all my friends in Negros, if you've been to Duyan Cafe, malapit lang siya. In fact, it's like 5 minutes away from Duyan Cafe going here. And samahan niyo ako guys i-explore yung place. We'll be staying here for a night. We rented a small nipa hut or bahay kubo, and that costs us around 2,000 pesos. And walang maximum number of persons, so long as you guys would fit sa place, then okay lang. So right now, kasama ko yung friend ko. We're a group of 3 and we have 1 kid. And so far, pet friendly naman sila. So it's a plus sa resort. So this is the place. It's actually a Tuesday guys, so wala masyadong tao. So those are the cottages that they have. And at my back, that's the swimming pool area. It's overlooking the mountain. I'm not sure what mountain that is. And it's already 4:30 in the afternoon guys, and medyo malamig na dito. And the kubo that we have rented, wala siyang aircon, wala siyang fan as well, kasi they don't need that here kasi nga malamig na. And also I'm gonna show you the reception area, and at the same time that will be their restaurant. Hi guys, so I'm here at their restaurant area, and right now I'm holding their menu. It's pocket friendly. So to those who are planning to stay here, for day use, they have a cottage for 1,000 pesos, and then they also have 2 cottages for 500 pesos. And then for overnight guests, they have a bahay kubo available, and that would cost you around 2,000 pesos. And as for the entrance fee for adults, it's 100 pesos. That includes the swimming pool. And to those kids ages 3 and below, they are actually free of charge. For birthdays and other occasions, you can actually bring your own food inside the resort. You just have to pay 200 pesos for the corkage. That's 200 pesos for the food and 200 pesos for your drinks. And for those na tamad magluto, you can actually order your food dito sa kanilang restaurant. And so far, okay naman yung food, and as I said earlier, it's pocket friendly. So yun lang guys. the afternoon and we're just waiting for the sunset, and in a few we'll go swimming na din. Hi Cindy! Say hi! Say hi!
Hi.
And they also have a camping area to those who want to stay overnight here and camping style lang. So this is the camping ground. And doon sa likod, meron silang cornfield, maliit lang. So dito sa camping area, it's actually named Camp Soul. You can set up your bonfire here and jamming, spend the night with your friends and talk about life. And it's the perfect spot. And this one is bigger bonfire area. There. So yun lang guys, it's actually peaceful, relaxing kasi malamig yung hangin, and especially today na wala masyadong tao, you can enjoy the nature at its best. So yun lang guys, so in a few magsuswimming na kami, so yun lang, bye! It's swimming time guys! So this is the kids swimming pool area, and dito naman yung for adults. Hi guys, it's dinner time. Foxy! Bonfire. Hey guys, so we're back here in St. John II Mountain Resort to celebrate George's birthday. And at the background, they're busy setting up the venue. So let's take a look. So they're having a pictorial session.
Yeah. Okay.
All parents. Smile. One more. 1, 2, 3. Smile. Okay.
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 Blow the candle.
Okay. Wala pa.
Wala pa.
Family.
I'm scared. Accidentally blows candle.
Oh, parents.
Parents.
Okay.
Oh goodness.
Parents and then friends.
Sige na.
Go with
You must have a picture.
Do not blow the candles, not yet.
So I'm gonna tour you to one of their accommodations, and it's still a bahay kubo, and I think the price is above 2,000 pesos. And same rule, so long as you guys would fit in sa room, then that will be fine. There's no limit as to how many people inside the room. So let's go. So this is what it looks like inside the bahay kubo. I like it here because medyo peaceful kasi nga malayo sa crowd. Kayo lang dito. And this is your room. So eto lang, very cute. And you'll have your window right here. And don't worry guys, as you can see, wala pang mga foam pillows. But you'll be provided pillows and mattresses, blankets as soon as nandito na kayo sa area. So yun lang.